Hey guys, I'm going to do another video of a unwrapping of the first off the line 2019 Prizms. This time I got two boxes, and let's see what we get out of these. Each, if you didn't see the first video, or if you haven't seen these videos before, it should have 2 packs of 10 cards. Yeah, 2 packs, 10 cards, and then you can find the red, blue, or green shimmer autograph. The blues are out of 10. The reds are out of 15. I'm not sure what the greens are out of, but usually most of the other cards that they insert in these are rookies, so it's still not a bad deal. But I mean, $200 for 20 cards seems like kind of a lot, but I got that DK Metcalf hit off the last one. That wasn't a bad one. PSA 10, one sold the other day for $400, I think. So not bad. You spend a lot of money, but you get big cards out of them. So go ahead and start with this box. All right. First pack. Alright. Yeah, most of these are going to be rookies, which is kind of nice. And it looks like we're going to have our shimmer there. I don't know if it's an autograph. It's a Bills, though. Let's go with Travis Homer, Marquise Blair, Gary Jennings. I don't think I have him yet. Devin Bush, Anthony Johnson, David Montgomery. Okay, no, that's not going to be... Okay, so here's the silver. We'll start with the silver. Who we get? Devin White. I don't know if he's played this year or not. Kind of been following Shaquille Barrett. He's been doing pretty good this year for them, but I don't know if I don't think they have a Prizm of him, which kind of sucks. But so a good way to do this, but I'd set those aside. We'll set the autograph down. Okay, we got a LaShawn McCoy. Red shimmer should be out of 15. So this is 14 of 15. Oh no, sorry, 4 of 15. Not a bad looking card. Not with Buffalo anymore, but Devin Singletary, I think it's kind of covering that one. So we'll get that one. All right, and we should have our 2 autographs coming up. And that is a silver, the Devin White. That is a silver card, so a silver Prizm. All right, let's do it this way. Okay, well, we're gonna see the back one. So, all right, who we get? Dre Greenlaw, and then Karan Higdon. So these are both the silver Prizms signatures. Not quite familiar with these two. I've heard of Dre Greenlaw, but Karan Higdon, I don't know if he's on practice squad or if he's actually playing or what. But I'll get those in a sleeve these up. Alright, and then the rest of these are going to be rookies. Just base rookies. Nothing special really about them, other than their rookies. Still kind of nice though. I don't really put too many veteran players in here unless it's a shimmer card like the LaShawn McCoy or the last one I believe I got Kanu Neal. Alright, last pack. David Long, didn't we? No. We got Travis Homer. I've got a lot of David Long. AJ Brown, that's not a bad one. Daniel Jones, got him in my last one too. Those two I will probably just go ahead and sleeve up, even though they're bases. But Byron Murphy, another Dre Greenlaw, Marquise Brown. Okay, all right. Well, these are going to be the Terry Bradshaw. Got the Josh Doctson silver. Set that aside for now. Terry Bradshaw, that's a nice card. I'll see which number that's going to be out of 15 as well, because it's a red shimmer, but we will see what number it is as soon as I can get it sleeved. So that is going to be 415 as well. I'm trying to move it to where you can see it on the camera. 415 red shimmer, Terry Bradshaw, not bad. Two veterans. Well, I guess one retired, one veteran. All right, let's see who we got signatures of. I think I already saw one, but this one should be our red shimmer, or something that looks like it's actually going to be, it's going to be a purple, looks like maybe. Julian Love. I'm not sure what they call that design. Someone else might be able to tell me. Oh, and that's going to, the Jordan Scarlet is a blue shimmer. So this is going to be 5 of 49. Purple, I'm not sure. I'll have to look that one up. If you know what the purples are called on this series, you might comment, but I will look towards the end of the video, see if I can find it real quick. That one's, gosh, I'm kind of running out of room here. All right, and that Dre Greenlaw is 3 out of 10. Or, I'm sorry, not Dre Greenlaw. Jordan Scarlet. Come on. There we go. 3 of 10. It's not bad. Overall, I got 3 shimmers out of that pack, and then that wasn't a bad one color-wise. I just wish we'd had a few better players in that one. And those are all base. Okay, let me get these guys sleeved up real quick. Get that Josh Doctson sleeved up, and then we'll move on. These I'm not really going to display. I wish we would have had a Daniel Jones blue shimmer. That would have been really nice, but you can't win them all. So that's going to be the first case. The highlights from that one was probably going to be probably the shimmers, but I mean, these weren't bad pulls either. AJ Brown, Daniel Jones, Dre Greenlaw wasn't a terrible pull. Jordan Scarlet, I don't know if he's played much this year. I know LaShawn McCoy, he was playing. I'm not sure if he's injured or not. I think he's with the Chiefs now. But overall, I think that my favorite personal card is probably that Terry Bradshaw Red Shimmer. But everybody probably has their own. Julian Love, I don't know much about him. I don't follow the Giants, but all right. Move on to the next box. All right, first pack. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and switch packs because that when they have that card on the back, I want to say that that is usually the better. Okay, this one has one too. Okay, so I guess we're just going to go for it all here. Let's see what we get. Ooh, starting off with a Gardner Minshew. Not bad. Jalen Ferguson, Dexter Williams, Terry Godwin, Brian Burns, Quadre Allison. I'm probably going to be very pissed at what that is. It's a redemption card. Oh, I haven't got a redemption card yet. Ooh, a silver Matt Ryan. That's a nice card. Let me put this back over here. All right, I'm going to start sleeving this stuff up, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and sleeve up the Gardner Minshew too, because that's not a bad pull, but I'm actually going to wipe my fingerprints off of that because my fingerprints got all over it. Sometimes it depends on the card, from what I've noticed, that sometimes you get stuff or your fingerprints on them, sometimes you don't. It seems like these ones that are more silver are worse about it. All right, there we go. All right. All right, so we got the Blue Shimmer, Marcus May. It's going to be 6 of 10. No, I'm not going to do the hard. I'm not going to do the top loaders yet. Okay, so let's see what redemption we got. We'll start off with the signature. See who we got there. Justice Hill. That's not a bad one. I think he has been playing, so... Oh, gosh, let's... Didn't think about that before. I'm not used to having another signature card behind it. Or, well, I guess that one's not a signature card, but... set that down there. Alright, so... The redemption is going to be... 2019 Rock Ya-Sin. Rookie autographs. Red Shimmer. Get that a little closer. So I'm not too terribly familiar with the process on these. I would assume you just really don't know, so I don't know what to tell you guys on the redemptions. I've seen the cards for sale online, but I haven't really messed much with them. It looks like this might... Ooh, a Dwayne Haskins. Wow, but that's 2 packs out of this box that had quarterbacks on the top. Dwayne Haskins. And I'm going to throw that right in a sleeve. Got followed by Jalen Hurd. This one looks like it'll be an interesting pack. Seen a lot of colors in the back. Jalen Hurd, Jonathan Abram, N'Keal Harry, that one's not bad. Ty Johnson, Hunter Renfrow. All right, now we're into the signatures. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take out the N'Keal Harry. The Ty Johnson probably, I'm not quite sure, but I could take those two out for sure. Let's see what silver we got first. Irv Smith Jr. I think I've seen him a few times this year. I still haven't got a silver quarterback this year, but I'm not terribly upset about the Irv Smith. Okay. All right, now we're to the signatures. So this is going to be the shimmer. Looks like it's a red shimmer. Another LaShawn McCoy. So we have two. Yes. Yeah. We have two of the blue shimmer red, or I'm sorry, not blue shimmer, red shimmer LaShawn McCoys. We have 4 of 15, and then let's see what our other one is. And then 3 of 15. Huh. I don't think I've ever seen sequential cards like that, but it's cool. Alright, and I already saw the card, or one of the signature cards. I'm not very pleased about it, but we will. Yeah, I think it was a silver, so that's good. At least we still have the blue shimmer to look for. Alright. Oh, and that is not a silver. That is the gold 2 of 5 LJ Collier. Man, I wish that was a better player. I know that's kind of maybe bad to say, but gosh, that is a nice card, though. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and do the last one. Julian Love, another Julian Love. We got sensational signatures of him. That is a really nice card. This is the first gold. I'm not sure what they call this. This is the first one of these I pulled. Very nice card. So I think insert wise, we might have done better on maybe the first one with that, but that's probably just personal opinion, I guess. Because I like that Terry Bradshaw, but I mean the LJ Collier has a nice card. And there's only 5. That is the lowest serial card I've got, so let's look on this thing. I'm not seeing on here where it says what that one is called, but not a bad haul. Could have been better. Could have been worse. We got two LaShawn McCoys. Got the LJ Collier Gold. I'm not sure what they call that, so I apologize. We got the redemption for Rocky Sin. I got a few quarterbacks, just base rookies though. Nothing crazy. But comment and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, guys.